English. Today we are going to do revisional class. Okay, already your assessment has been announced, so we are going to start with the revision part. Everyone take out your copies, pencil and eraser. I am going to write some uh, questions on the board and you are going to give me the answers. Okay, so please note down the revisional part. So the first question comes. Okay, write two E sound words. So I'm over here or three. I hope everyone is visible. I am visible and audible to each and every student. All of the parents are requested to please turn off their cameras and their microphones. Yes. Okay. So now write two E sound words. So which are the two E sound words? As we have learned, our two E sound words can be B, E, D and H, E, N. Right? So note it down. Next comes number 2. Write two O sound words. So your O sound words can be BOX, and so these are some sound words. We have seen two E sound words, two O sound words and two U sound words. I hope everyone has completed. Please write down. Note it down as your revision work. If you are completing, very good. All my students are giving answers. Very nice. Okay, so I'm going for question number 4. Question number 4. Complete the given words. You will be given some words. So, complete the given words. Here some words are there and these are CVC words. So, first of all, here D dash G. So here comes, very good Shyama Prabhu. So here comes D O G, then after C A T and P O T. You can write P U T put also, no problem. Next comes number 5. And I hope everyone has completed number 6. Number 3. Yes or no? Everyone has copied down number 3. Next comes number 5. Okay. Already we have learned all these things. Just a revision we will do for our upcoming assessment. Very nice, Shashmit. And Shubham, please send your answers. Not this type of icons. Please send your answers. So here comes the rhyming words. I hope number 3 has been completed by my students. Rhyming words, men. Then after we can write the rhyming word hen over here. Cub, we can write tub. Nip, we can write hip. Dig, we can write, very good Shyama Prabhu, very good. Fig. So these are the rhyming words. Very good Tathagata. Shyama Prabhu has given the answers all together. Very nice, Rijan. Everyone please complete this one. Yes, pig can also be the rhyming word of dig. I'm running number 4. Here comes number 6. One who mends our shoes. One who mends our shoes. Very good, Shrijan. It comes cobbler. One who builds houses. One who builds houses. Very good, Shugato. One who builds houses. Very good, Ashmita. Yes, very nice. Next comes one who fight for our country. One who fights for our country. Yes, very good. Very good, Shyama Prabhu. Shubham, please send answers. Shubham, I want your answers. Okay, very nice. Tathagato Mason is the answer of the last question. So here comes number 8. Next we will go for number 9. So I'm going to rub number 6. I hope everyone has completed. Next comes number 9. Number 9 we have two things we see in our kitchen. So let us find out two things that we see in our kitchen, and let's find out what my students are giving answers. So one is already Shyama Prabhu has given the answer, utensils and gas. Tathagato, I want two things. Okay, very good, very nice. Srijan, Ashmita, Tathagato, just add one more item, Tathagato. So it's gas is not the correct answer. It should be gas cylinder. Okay, because gases are present in our atmosphere. Various types of gases are present in our atmosphere. So in kitchen we keep gas cylinder. The whole word is gas cylinder. Gas cylinder, and one more. Utensils. You can write a spoon is already included in utensils, and some of the electronic things also are being kept in kitchen like mixer, grinder, fridge. Okay, so you can mention those things also. Now let us go for number 10. Already we have done all these things in our worksheet also previously. So here comes the next heading, use of a or an, that is a or an. So here I'm going to give some words. So who is going to give the answer? Tathagato has given. Very good. Micro oven is also a part of kitchen. Okay. So Tathagato, Prithviraj, Srijan, Ashmita. Ashmita, A should be capital. Shamatak has given both the answers together. And Shyama Prabhu, please go through the question first. A, what will be the article, and B, what will be the article? Your serial number has changed. Or3 also, very good. Next, number C. I'm going for number C over here. Here comes number C. And here comes number D. So what will be the answer? Yes, Tathagato, now your Sanstita, now your answer is correct. And Shyama Prabhu, please don't be sorry. If you make mistake because you try your level best, right? A person who doesn't make mistake, that means that person never works. So don't be sorry for that. Just every time rectify your mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. That's enough, better. Okay, thank you, ma'am. And Anurag has given the correct answer. Shamantak has given the correct answer. Prithviraj, Ashmita, and Shrijan has given the correct answer. Very good. So it's an igloo and a hut, right? Okay. So let's go for the next one. I'm rubbing number 10. And here comes your 11th question. Complete the sentence. So here you have to complete the sentence which already we have learned from our poems or the short stories in our textbook. Okay. So the first one. So here comes the dash sits on a box. Can anyone answer me? The dash sits on the box. Very good, Shyama Prabhu. Excellent. So here comes the pup. Rest all of my students are also giving the answers. I know. Very good, Ashmita. Very good, Srijan. Very good, Prithviraj. Excellent, Atri, Moyuk. Very good. Come on. Now, next, it's B. And B is Moti is dash big dog. So, Moti is dash big dog. Can anyone complete the sentence? Fast. Moyuk Machi has also given the answer. Very good. So, Moti is a big dog. Over here, I have added Moti because it is a big dog written in your textbook. It is signifying Moti. So students, today I conclude my class over here. I will be again back with your science class. Till that time, you do revision with your maths class. Bye bye.